You have learnt about what is an e-commerce store in my previous lecture. Here in this lecture, I'm going to teach you on how to make money with your e-commerce store. We have lot of methods to make money online, but you know what? All that glitters are not gold. So although you have lot of strategy to make money online, you gotta choose the right one that is going to match your financial and physical potential. Here I'm providing some of the ways to make money online that are proven best to my knowledge with an e-commerce store. Let's get started. Number 1 is Amazon affiliate marketing. The cool part of using Amazon affiliate marketing technique is that they involve zero cost as a capital in starting with your website. And the main advantage of being an Amazon affiliate marketer is that it is completely performance based. The affiliates are paid in commissions only when the desired action takes place. Since there is no fixed sales in affiliate marketing, you can earn as much as you can and there is no limit for your earning. They are also one of the fantastic way to promote products, as you will have the chance or option to promote either your own product or someone else. Also, it has over millions of users as buyers all around the world, which ultimately proves that it is the most trusted marketplace on the internet. So what more do you expect for building a good e-commerce store? Number 2 is eBay marketing. When it comes for eBay, it is one of the famous e-commerce marketing strategy in the revolution of this decade. The main advantage of choosing eBay as your money-making tool is that they also requires less capital investment, and also their time-saving key is an added advantage. It offers a wide range of products that most of the companies would not be able to offer. eBay is also a risk-free business. As I have mentioned previously, you don't need to do any type of investment in your stock. So the risk involved with starting a business with eBay is ultimately reduced. Even if things doesn't work for you as you have planned, you are not going to get stuck with thousands of investment with your inventory alone. Number 3 is dropshipping. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a method of selling where the store doesn't need to keep the product in stock. The following are some of the benefits of dropshipping. It provides a broad product offering. Dropshipping is very flexible for merchants like us, and it helps them to distribute more and more products for selling. Number 2 is dropshipping helps in delivering the product more quickly. Dropshippers helps in reducing the waiting time of wholesalers or the distributor time of shipping. Number 3 is dropshipping also leaves you to explore new lines. With dropshipping, you can sell any product that you like. And finally, dropshipping reduces your investment. Retailers can reduce the investment in stock, and so basically it requires very low investment to start. These are the 3 options which you can make really good money with your e-commerce store. Out of these 3 options, I would highly recommend you Amazon affiliate marketing technique, as it has 90% of the pros when compared with all the other options. Also, I'm saying this from my personal experience, so fix your mind for Amazon affiliate marketing with your e-commerce site. The next lectures, I'm going to teach you how to build a live e-commerce site and start making money as an Amazon affiliate.